Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify credit card insurance benefits in Chase Sapphire, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify credit card insurance benefits for your Chase Sapphire card, start by gathering your credit card information. Log into your Chase account by visiting the Chase website or using the Chase mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the account menu. Locate your Chase Sapphire card in the list of accounts. Select the card to view the details. Scroll down to find the benefits section associated with your card. Click on Benefits to expand the list of available features. Look for travel insurance or purchase protection in the benefits list. Click on the relevant benefit to view its specific coverage details and terms. Review the requirements to ensure you understand what is covered and any exclusions that may apply. For further clarification, refer to the cardholder agreement, which outlines all insurance benefits in detail. If you have questions about the coverage, call the customer service number provided on the back of your card. Provide any necessary information to the representative to get answers specific to your situation. You can also access the Chase Insurance Benefits website for additional details. Before traveling or making a significant purchase, consider documenting important policy information. This helps in case you need to file a claim later. Always keep copies of receipts and any relevant documentation related to your purchases. Make sure to understand the claims process as outlined on the benefits page. Following these steps will ensure you have verified your credit card insurance benefits accurately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.